Welcome to PCBONLINE's PCBA factory. I will walk you through the PCBA process. It includes manufacturing and testing, which are interprocessed. Here we go. When boards are sent to our PCBA factory, they are loaded on the autoloader, and the loader delivers them to the Smt solder paste printer. Next is the Smt process. An Smt stencil is preset, and every PCB board goes past under it. The scriber of the Smt printer processes the stencil and solder paste filled through holes of the stencil, then printed on pads of the PCB accurately. In this way, PCB are printed one by one. This is an Spi machine after the Smt printer. It checks the thickness and shape of solder paste. Small components like resistors, capacitors, inductors are set in the high-speed mounter. When a PCB enters high-speed machine, small components are mounted on pads of the board quickly. Then, the PCB goes inside the function mounter, while big components like IC, VGA are ready to mount. Here you can see, big components are extracted from tapes and mounted on the PCB precisely. Here comes the reflow soldering process. A reflowing oven has temperature zones. Solder paste melts and gets a good set in it. Tightly connects the PCB and components. You are getting the PCBA. Now it goes through the online AOI tester. An infrared camera scans the PCBA, then all possible assembly defects are displayed on the screen. A technician checks them one by one and records the real defects. The defective boards will be sent to repair, and they won't be replaced with other PCBAs from then on. After SMT assembly of PCB prototypes, the first PCBA is sent to be inspected. This is an important step for PCBA production. Our R&D engineers optimize the PCBA project according to its result, and a report is generated after the first article inspection, which is sent to PCBONLINE's client to review and approve mass production. Some components with long legs can be assembled using SMT, and we need to apply wave soldering to fix these components to boards. The PCBA is first sent into the flux spray preheater for warming, making preparations for wave soldering. Then it is transferred into the wave soldering oven. Tin can not only fix the components on the circuit board tightly, and also fill gaps between the PCBA and the component legs. This step ensures the electric performance of the PCBA. Next, a technician touches up the PCBA to fix assembly defects, if there's any. Then another technician trims the component's legs to be from 1 to 2 millimeters long. PCBONLINE's PCBA factory is dust-free. The GMP level is third.